Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to pay your Santander credit card from another bank. First, log into your online banking portal from your other bank's website or app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Bill Pay or Payments section. Next, select Add Payee or Add Biller and search for Santander in the list of available companies. Enter your Santander credit card details, including the account number and payment address. Now, enter the payment amount you wish to make and choose the date you want the payment to be processed. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Finally, hit the Submit or Pay Now button to authorize the payment. And that's it, your payment to your Santander credit card from another bank is on its way. Remember, it may take a couple of business days for the payment to reflect on your Santander credit card account, so make sure to plan accordingly. And there you have it, a simple and convenient way to pay your Santander credit card from another bank.